Hello everyone, I'm Chef Christy and happy 4th of July! I'm excited to be with you today. I have a great patriotic recipe. It is for a fruit pizza and it looks like a flag, and so I'm excited to be able to share with you how to make it. It is what I like to call semi-homemade because I am using store-bought sugar cookie dough as the crust. But it is delicious and I really hope that you try it. And if you are new to my channel, I share simple, quick, and delicious recipes every single week. So I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel and hit the little notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my new videos. And if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and let me know. But enough said, let's get started. Okay, I saved just a little bit of that dough and I'm just gonna roll it out just a little because this is gonna be for my star. I've got a nice cookie cutter here that's in a star. So this is all I need, is just one little star. And then I'm gonna press this into the rest of the dough. Okay, this recipe calls for 2 pounds of the sugar cookie dough, so that's 2 tubes. And so I've pressed out 1/2, and this is a 16-inch pizza pan. It makes a good size fruit pizza, but I pressed out half of this and I'm gonna press out the other half and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, I've got it all pressed out, and so now I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven for right around 20 to 30 minutes, but I will check on it. And we can't forget to bake off our little tiny cookie. It kind of looks a little lonely, one little cookie on a big tray. Okay, so I have 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese that's softened, and I'm just going to mix it up. Okay, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Now I'm going to have to go really slow. Okay, it's about mixed, and so now I'm just going to add some vanilla extract, about 1 tablespoon. Okay, then I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. All right. Okay, I just pulled the cookie out and it baked right around 20 minutes, so I'm gonna let it cool completely. Okay, so I'm gonna whip some heavy cream just to make some whipped cream, and this is about 2 cups of heavy cream. And I'm just gonna use the same beaters, it'll be fine, that I've used for my cream cheese mixture. It's gonna take me just a little bit. Okay, once it starts to foam up just a little, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. All right, so I've just about got stiff peaks, and I'm just going to add some vanilla extract. I am going to scrape down the sides of the bowl and just blend one more time. Okay, so I'm going to put my whipped cream in a piping bag and just going to place this down into a cup. This makes it just a little bit easier to get the whipped cream in there. I'm just going to place it in my piping bag and then I'll show you what's next. All right, my cookie is completely cooled, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cream cheese mixture and we're going to spread this, this glorious cream cheese mixture. So good. I'm going to spread this all on top of my pizza. All right, so I've got all the cream cheese spread out evenly And now I'm gonna get my fruit. Okay, since it is the 4th of July, I'm keeping it with a red, white, and blue theme. But I'm going to take blueberries and go all the way around the border. All right, so once you get your border, then we're gonna make a little square, because this is going to look like a flag. Now obviously you can use any fruit that you want on a fruit pizza, but like I said, today I'm going to stick to keeping it patriotic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eyeball this, and I'm going to make a nice square. That looks good. It landed right perfect. All right. So then I'm just gonna fill this in. Okay, so there is our nice square. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use raspberries. And you could use strawberries if you want. You just want to cut them smaller. And I'm actually going to leave a space in between. So I'm just going to line these up. This is already looking pretty. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make little white stars in between these lines with this whipped cream. This is looking beautiful. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little star right here, and then I'm going to take my cookie and place. Ta-da! Okay, this is beautiful. Like, I don't really want to cut into this. Oh, it is so pretty. Okay, but here we go. I'm gonna turn it around. And let's see. Cut myself a nice piece. Gotta get through that sugar cookie crust. And you could use all kinds of fruit, whether it's kiwi, strawberries, peaches, you name it. All right. I'm gonna go under here, make sure that I've got my, oh yeah. That is looking good. Check it out. That is delicious. I wonder if I could just have a plate here, but I wonder if I could just eat it like this, like a piece of pizza. I'm gonna try it. That is delicious. And if you took this to your 4th of July cookout, people are gonna love you for this. Well, I hope that you try this. It is beautiful. I've enjoyed cooking for you today, and happy 4th of July, and I will see you soon.